Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your focus to 3 clear niches that align with your blog content. This sharpens discovery and saves time. Once done, switch to a Pinterest business account so you can access analytics and enable rich pins. These increase click-throughs. Next, set up 2 vertical pin templates at a 2:3 ratio with a bold headline and logo for branding. Make sure to name boards using keyword phrases and populate each with 10 relevant pins to signal relevance quickly. Now you create optimized pins that pull readers to posts. Start with searchable titles and descriptions using long-tail keywords. Include a call to action so users know what to expect. Use high-contrast images and readable fonts. If you add short video pins, keep motion subtle and under 1/2 of 5 seconds for mobile attention. Once done, attach the destination URL with UTM parameters, pin to the most relevant board, and schedule during your audience's peak hours for highest engagement. You finish by scaling what works and monitoring key metrics. Review analytics weekly to find your top-performing pins, and then create variations that exploit the same formats or topics. This accelerates growth. Once done, repurpose older posts with fresh designs while keeping roughly 80% new pins and 20% reused content. If performance drops, troubleshoot by confirming rich pins are active, testing the destination URL for redirects, and measuring mobile load speed. Slow pages cost clicks and conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.